Hi everybody, my name's Roger for Moonshine Designs Nursery, and I want to tell you a little bit about Miscanthus sinensis Gracillimus. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but it's a nice ornamental grass, and it's something we offer every year. It's a very popular item. We sell it both in flats of liners and as single liners. They're in sets of 3 anyway. Liner looks like this. Of course, it's late October, so we got some fall color on this. But you plant these in spring, and by fall you'll have a very nice clump. Then every 3, 4, or 5 years it's suggested that you give it a little bit of a division. Offers real nice color in the late fall and winter. The golden color in fall and winter will give it some winter interest if you don't cut it back until spring. Best thing to do then is you get some nice day in very early spring or late winter. You get out and you can cut the old foliage off before the new foliage emerges in the spring. Following are a couple of little clips of some that we have actually out in front in our landscape and what it looks like in the fall.